Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell with the comment to motivate us to add more explanations. Thank you all. Opera is a free, cross-platform web browser developed by Opera Software and is a solid option for users wanting to install a new browser on Fedora. It is based on the Chromium engine and offers a modern interface with its famous turbo mode and renowned battery-saving mode, which are the best among all known web browsers by quite a margin. Also, one of the other popular features of the Opera browser is the VPN, which is a big plus for users wanting an all-in-one solution for easier management. In this videos, you will learn how to install Opera browser on Fedora 38 Linux workstation desktop with optional branches stable, beta, or the nightly development version using the command line terminal with tips on maintaining and removing the browsers if required. Towards the end of the tutorial, I have also included a fix for users that cannot install their native language on the Opera browser, which works for all builds.